In our UI walkthrough series, the next screen we're going to present is the project options screen. Now, in our online documentation, docs.omniloader.com, there are many videos going into each of these options in detail, so please consult our online documentation. I'm just going to explain what are these options basically in general, how do they work, and what is our approach to options. So we have tried creating an absolute minimum number of options to make the software always very easy to use, because the more options you have, the more confusing it is. However, we have to balance this with the real-world scenarios where our customers want to customize the process. These project options are applied to all of the tables at once. So now if I change something, this is instantly applied to all of the tables. So we have conversion options, performance options, some database default options, and then very powerful mapping. We have the ability to run custom scripts and change the logging. And of course, troubleshooting mode is very simple. Instead of using our optimized process, just create standard SQL inserts. But this is something you will probably never use. Okay, now we have project options. And what if you want to do this on a per table basis? Then how do you customize things? Because usually in a complex project, you will have certain small number of tables that are very interesting. Perhaps these are the largest tables. Maybe a single table is comprising of 70% of the data, right? So you would set up all the project-wide options here and then go into the tables. For example, you might be ordering by size or by number of records here. So let's say that this table is for me the most interesting, right? Maybe this one, right? So I can click it. It's a very simple table. Let's find something that's a little bit more interesting than that. So it's ultra large blob. Okay. So this one is a bit more interesting here. So let's say I wanna then do special changes to this one, right? I can click manual, and now I have full control over the process. I can rename it, rename the table. I can rename each column here. I can change the data types, right? And do the updates to the default values or change the collation. So there it is, project options and a little bit of touching up on the table options.